Alright, so boom, tell me out, don't tell me down. We back at it with another video. Today we got the Knights versus the Hurricanes, Game 5 of the 2026 Stanley Cup Finals. Let's get it! Alright, y'all. We got a tie series 2-2. We are back in Carolina. Who is going to go up? Oh, that was a crazy hit right there.
With 26 when they won the
boom!
In 2023.
Who is going to go up 3-2 in this series? Let's find out now.
Now Stankoven, tough angle shot.
All right.
Watch as he comes through. He's got Howden, the leading goal
Look at that
scorer
hit,
in the
y'all. That
playoffs,
was a crazy hit right there.
And he goes right
by
to
Walker.
It's a perfect hit.
Oh,
right
perfect hit right there, Walker.
And managed to avoid it. Jarvis with some speed.
Stop. Cash shot. Okay, save.
Stopped by Hart. Aggressively up to the top of the blue paint and beyond. 91-mile-an-hour shot. Puck up in the air.
All right, stop it.
It's going straight out of the rink, and it's going to be a penalty.
Got a penalty?
Carolina.
What? Wait, what do you mean penalty against Carolina? For what? What happened?
In the air. Shot. Puck up in the air.
Did they give him a penalty because he purposely put the puck out of play?
And it's going straight out of the rink, and it's going to be a penalty against Carolina.
Yeah, I'm assuming that's why he got a penalty, right?
Here's Eichel.
Pass shot.
They score. Pavel Dorofeev, the goal. Ending his long drought off a beautiful feed from Eichel.
For a second, I thought that shit was about to go off the post.
He looks shot and zips it across the crease.
Wow. Well, I think it kind of did go off the post into the net, huh?
Zips it across the crease.
A little bit.
With speed and
regardless, that shit went in.
From Eichel. He takes Chatfield wide. There's no
Look at that pass, though. That was a good pass.
Pavel Dorofeev is on the board in the final, and it's 1-0
Yeah, that was a good pass.
Vegas.
Here's Eichel again for Stone.
All right, Vegas up first, 1-0. Shot, save, rebound.
Down low, Barbashev, and a nice stop by Bussy. Rebound taken behind the net by Howden, then he lost it.
Come on, Canes, get that goal back.
Stone a backhand. That wound up behind the net. Then Marner got dumped in the middle of the playoffs with an injury. He has goals in 4 of the 6 games since he came back. 2 in this series.
Shot! That's a goal!
On the tip in to tie it at 1.
We got a tie game.
Sometimes it's just your time.
Keep being locked in. Let's get it. I like that. Woo! Tipped it right in. Good shit. Look at Ehlers' pass. Look at that.
6 goals in this Stanley
Good pass,
Cup final
Ehlers.
for the captain, Jordan Stahl.
Finish it up.
As the captain has done it again.
Ehlers with the assist. Stahl with the goal. We got a tie game 1-1.
Back for Coughlin. And the
Save.
rebound knocked away. Robinson backed it back. Nikishin kept it in. Robinson
Shot,
fired
stop.
right on net.
Rebound.
Hoping for a tip.
Get it.
He sure could. Here's Eichel.
Eichel passing the shot. Good save.
Get through to the net. Here's Hannafin.
Shot blocked.
That one got blocked, I believe, by Stankoven.
All right, second period, y'all. All right, we're going into the second period, tied up 1-1. At least the Canes got that goal back, so that's good.
For Stankoven. Sends it right in on Hart.
Damn!
Took down Stankoven.
What the hell?
He's going to be penalized.
Hell yeah!
Believe the
Tony right there. Let's get it. Come on.
Was a cross check.
What the hell?
Aho lets it fly. It hit McNabb.
Got a minute 28 remain on the power play.
Clear hit Aho. McNabb tries again. Kept in by Aho and Gostisbehere. A minute 20 on the Carolina power play in a 1-1 game nearly midway through. Gostisbehere, one-timer by Jarvis.
The Aho one-timer is blocked by McNabb, and now it's a rugby scrum in front of the net. Everybody's fighting for position. Hart gets bumped. There's a secondary shot. It's cleared away before it leads to Seth Jarvis's one-timer that Hart gets across.
Hall off for Blake, off his stick to the wall.
Whoa! Shit! Y'all seen that?
So that comes just
got slammed from behind right there.
Penalty had expired.
All right, we got a penalty on that.
And now he'll be replaced by McNabb. Svechnikov again.
All right, Carolina, another power play. A minute remain on it.
Sissons pressure. Svechnikov!
Oh! That's a goal! Power play goal! Canes up 2-1. Let's get it! go.
A quick release through the stick of Colton Sissons, and as it goes through the legs of Lauzon, Carter Hart won't pick it up. Svechnikov moments earlier and whiffed on that one-timer.
Good shot.
I liked about this.
All right, Canes, hold on. Y'all up now.
See from the moment he received
hold on to the lead.
Strides into the middle.
Keep extending the
through
two.
The legs of Hart, and it's 2-1 Carolina.
Went right in between Hart right there. Shot saved. All right, we're looking good, y'all. We're looking good. Shot blocked right there. Look at it.
Taken back by Sissons. He sends it to
shit.
Howden.
Let's go!
37-year-old veteran, 8 years in Washington, came to Vegas at the deadline, hoping to win a cup.
Oh, shit!
He powered it to the post.
Slid right into him.
Cover the puck. It's still
no whistle yet. They bounced the puck.
Right on top of it. Cross ice for Stahl. He sends it in. Martin fast on the forecheck. Won the puck. Missed.
Wait. Shot. That's a goal! 3-1 Canes. Ah, shit. I hate those numbers. But hopefully the Canes can hold on to it. Don't be like my Warriors to blow no 3-1 lead, Canes. Come on, hold on to this. Got 2 minutes remaining in the second period. The man Io.
And it's his pass misses Svechnikov. Sean Walker, who's been tremendous in this series. That puck is a one-timer onto the stick of Aho. Look at him take it off his feet. Touched it beautifully.
Good stuff,
and then straight up over Carter Hart.
All right, third period, y'all. We almost there. 19 minutes left. The Canes hold on. They're going to go up 3-2 in this series, which will be so huge.
Glove save made by Bussy to the delight of this adoring crowd. John Tortorella's changed his lines tonight. Howden down low.
Save. Let's get it.
Stop by Bussy.
We'll take that.
Howden was alone in the blue paint, and Bussy stopped it. Kept in by Jeremy Lauzon. Third defense pair out for John Tortorella.
Loose puck. Come on.
Hart.
Shit, the man Hart came in. We got to empty now.
Pursue the puck.
It's okay.
4-1 up.
Canes on the power play. Minute 50 remain on it.
Up behind the net. Under 16 minutes to go, third
Joggers
period.
passing the shot.
Aho's a drive and turned aside by Hart. With 2 bodies near
looking
the
to get another power play goal, y'all.
Shot! Lets it go. An easy
save.
save. A bit of a flutter puck. Right into the midsection. He's in a race.
11 minutes left, y'all. We're almost there. Got a whistle.
Meanwhile, Chatfield at the other end of the ice is down on his knees against the far boards.
Has got his hand up onto his face, and
I think there's going to be a penalty. Chris Rooney just gestured to the Vegas bench.
Vegas number 61 has double minor, high sticking.
Shit. Stone got caught on the high sticking right there.
This will be the 4th and 5th power plays of the night for Carolina with a 2-goal lead.
Costas Bear fake drop back. And
a minute 37 remain on the power play.
Aho.
For the Canes. Go. Shot! That's a goal!
Look at this beauty.
Come
the
on!
vision, the presence to know where Svechnikov is. And Svechnikov presents his
power play goal, which very could just be the dagger right there. Look at that. Empty net.
This Carolina power play
simple.
Has 6 goals
what you
in the
doing, Hart?
4 games.
Come on.
Mitch Marner can only shake his head. It's
all right, 7 minutes. Job not done. Looking very good, though. About 3 goals, y'all. Come on. Shot. Save.
Stopped by Bussy. He has been a stalwart. Theodore weaving down.
6 minutes.
Backhand
Rebound. Fuck.
Pavel Dorofeev.
All right, scores off of that rebound. Nice score. Still up, though.
Dorofeev with the quick hands in front of the net. He's got good position inside of Miller, and as Bussy can't control that rebound, Dorofeev's going to dunk it into the net for his second one. And that's the way it's been all series long. You just can't get comfortable.
6 of the last 7 back to the conference final. Down out in front.
Stop. Here we go.
minutes to go.
4 minutes, y'all. 4 minutes. Almost there. We're almost there.
Anderson, rebound, dropped by
Let's
Bussey.
get it! Come on.
Just wide of
Empty
Bussey.
net for the nice. Get that goal back. Get that empty net goal. Come on.
In the air, is it straight out of the rink?
Yes, indeed
Yes, it is. And it's Ehlers again.
Man, Ehlers, 3 assists, 2 delay a
Delay a
game penalties. He's all over the score sheet tonight.
Oh, so that's what the call was from the last time. It was delay a game! Save. That's save. That's save by Bussey. That's save.
Oh, so close.
Let's
to
go.
A goal game. And Bussey, magnificent.
Bussey's playing incredible, y'all.
Carolina's going to take a
Carolina! Woo! One more win! 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 The Carolina Hurricanes is one more win from winning the Stanley Cup. Smiling through it all, I can't believe this is my life. One more win, y'all. We are almost there. One more win. And this shit in Las Vegas. Nothing more would make me so happy to see the Canes win the Stanley Cup in Las Vegas next game for Game 6.
They're on their front foot. One win away from the Stanley Cup.
One win. One win. It's either going to be the Canes win next game, and that's it. Incredible season. Or the Knights is going to win next game, and then we're going to have a Game 7, which will be even more crazy. So, make our predictions right now. I'm going to make my prediction for Game 6. I'm going to say, yo, the Canes looking so good, man. I feel like the Canes definitely going to win Game 6. They looking so good. The Canes have been playing fantastic, coming back down from leads too, and yo, this whole Stanley Cup final has been incredible. I've been saying that from the start, but yeah, I definitely could see the Canes winning in Game 6, y'all. So I'm gonna just go ahead and say it. I got Canes in 6. Everybody spam Canes in 6 in the comment section down below, man. Comment down below how y'all feel about this game, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one.